Southwest Technical College is hosting the Southern Utah Manufacturing Expo on Thursday, October 6th. Join us in our multi-purpose room and meet local manufacturers like Impact Utah, DHS Products, Staley West, Align Precision, and many other companies transforming the economy. The Manufacturing Expo is a great opportunity to learn what is made in Southern Utah. Some of these manufacturers are hiring, so this is a great opportunity to find future employment and to ask questions. There will also be free food and prizes. The Southwest Tech Culinary Arts program is cooking 500 brats, and every half hour there will be a drawing for prizes donated by over 14 manufacturers. Southwest Technical College is located at 757 West, 800 South in Cedar City, Utah. Once again, the Manufacturing Expo is Thursday, October 6th from 10 to 2. Come find out what's made in Southern Utah.